I have a long sort of relationship with plants. My great-grandmother was a sobadora curandera, so she was a medicine woman. Her garden was full of all these medicinal plants. So we learned to sometimes go help her when we got older to pick the plants, and she would tell us which ones, and then she would concoct these solutions for people. But then my dad, for several years, was a farm worker, and we always had a big garden in the backyard. We also had animals in the backyard. So, the whole idea of growing your own food, respect for animals, respect for the plants was pretty much there. I've always been a plant developmental biologist, trying to figure out how plants come from one cell, just like us, to these elaborate organisms that flower at specific times and make leaves and stems and shoots and roots. After I got my PhD, I noticed I could find a way to localize small molecules that might give me a clue as to how these surfaces interact, what kinds of molecules make for compatible versus incompatible crosses. With an organization called SACNAS, Society for the Advancement of Chicanos and Native Americans in Science. They invited me to a conference. I was a postdoc at Yale at the time. I never expected to feel welcomed in science, but in that group, I was welcomed. It was clear. To be perfectly honest, you don't expect to be welcomed into science. You do science, and you're welcomed because of the outcomes of your science, not because of you. Doing science is about learning your system, really getting a good grasp of it, and then playing with it. Actually kind of messing it up usually, trying to figure out what are the parameters that allow it to be the way it is. Most of the time in science we fail. So I have approached the development of students and scientists comparable to the way that I approach my plant science, and that is, we'll try this, did it work, yes, no. If it didn't work, why not? How can I improve it? Because I'm just doing my job. To the best of my ability. It's not perfect, but I'm giving it a good shot. Anybody who works at the university, we're here to serve the students and to provide opportunities for everybody.